Okay, so here's the moment of truth. We'll see if this thing starts. Okay, so today I'm working on a Cub Cadet. This is an XT2 mower. It's my mower. I've had it since about 2017. And the last couple of seasons, it's gotten to where it's kind of weak when I start it. And it just, it'll kind of crank over a time or two, and then finally it'll crank over and start. And then once it gets hot, if you've been mowing with it for a while, you shut it off, maybe open a gate or something, and you go to turn it back on, it's probably not even going to turn over. So I've got a sneaky suspicion it's the starter, because I'm pretty sure last season or the season before I changed out the battery and it didn't really affect it much, and it just still did the same thing. So I'm kind of hoping it has something to do with this starter. So I've picked up another one here off of Amazon, and from what I can tell, it looks fairly similar as far as the bolt pattern here for the attachments and everything. Hopefully this is going to work. It does look to be a little bit longer, so I don't know. We'll see how it goes. It had good reviews, so I'm hoping that it works out. The other thing is, remember, unhook your battery. So you've got this hot wire coming up here we're going to have to unhook. So we've already done that. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to unhook these mounting bolts. We'll unhook the hot wire connection there and just kind of go through this. I've never changed a starter on a mower before, but I have changed a starter on a pickup. So I'm hoping that they're somewhat similar. So this connection here going to our battery is a 11 on this one, metric. So now, let's see if we can break that loose. Break that loose. That was fairly simple as far as that part's concerned. I think my mounting holes look the same. Casing of this one's a little bit longer. I'm just hoping it will fit the same. Hopeful, but I'm not holding my breath. I will probably tighten that up just a little bit more with an actual wrench here in a minute. Got a lock washer and a nut that goes back on here. Man, if this works, this is going to be awesome, because this is I mean, I'm doing this in real time, and so far this is going too easy, honestly, so there's got to be a catch. So I think this one's a different size. That's a 10 millimeter, so this one's a little different size than the other one, but it doesn't really matter. I've got both. Okay, now I just need to hook up my battery and we'll fire it up. Okay, so here's the moment of truth. We'll see if this thing starts. Way faster, way smoother. Incredible difference. That was 100% the problem. If you got some kind of a similar problem like that, it's getting hot and it doesn't want to start after it gets hot, most likely that starter is shot. So just remember, you can do it in, I don't know, 5 minutes. You can change out that starter. Very simple, 2 bolts. I'll put a link in the description to the one that I used in case you have this exact same setup. This is the Cub Cadet XT2. It's got the 24 horsepower Kohler motor on it. So if you need one, I'll put a link in the description.